If you have keyless entry and push button start, here's how to open your door and even start your vehicle if the key fob happens to die, if the battery is dead, or it just stops working. Every vehicle that has remote keyless entry, RKE, has a physical key built into the key fob that can unlock the door. First, look for a small button somewhere on the side, top, or bottom of the fob. Mine is here at the bottom left side of this remote. Push that button and hold it in, and then pull down at the bottom of the remote to pull the key out. Then pull the driver's side door handle out to the open position and hold it there. There's a cap located at the end of the handle. Insert the key into the slot on the bottom of the cap, and you're basically using the key to pry off this end cap. So you lift up on it with the key, that pops the cap up, and then you take the key out. And now pull out on the cap and take it off. And that reveals the hidden door lock underneath. So then grab the key again, put the key in the lock and turn it, and that unlocks your door. Pull the handle out, slide the cap back on to the left, and push it down to lock it back into place. And your door handle may be slightly different than this one, but it will still work in much the same way. Then put the key back into the remote and snap it into place. So now you're able to get into your vehicle. But if the remote wouldn't open the door in the first place, then it probably won't start your vehicle either. If your remote's battery is dead and you try to start your car, it should give you a message that no remote is present or something along those lines. But there's a way around that until you can get a new battery to put in it. That can vary a little bit from vehicle to vehicle. Some vehicles will have a spot on the steering column where you can place your remote and then the engine will start. Some vehicles allow you to push the start button with your dead remote and that will start the car. Other vehicles have a compartment or area somewhere inside called a transmitter pocket. This is a place where you can put the remote and then that will allow you to start your engine. That's what this car has. And the transmitter pocket is this cup holder. So if I lay my non-working remote in here, lay it down flat, then the engine will start. Check your owner's manual or search it online to find out where yours is. But all you have to do is place your remote there, and then you'll be able to start your car like you normally would. Then first chance you get, put a new battery in your remote. And then maybe do what I do and keep some extra batteries for your fob actually in your car, just in case. Your car might also warn you that your remote's battery is getting low, so put a new battery in it when you see that message. I hope this helps you get on the road and back on your way. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and like I always say, drive safe.